Rap, opera.
The history of hip hop and rap, it didn't start with the beef, it started from scratch.
Thank you to those who are longtime subscribers or followers, and to those of you who are new, thank you for joining us. My name is Ken, and on this channel we look at using hip-hop music, hip-hop culture, and rap music to educate students in an engaging way while providing rich literacy opportunities revolving around reading and language arts. So, the question right now is, what is rap opera? I've gotten this so many times, and for whatever reason, I've only thought now to address it. What is rap opera? Well, I'm going to assume we all know what rap is, right? Okay, I think we're good to go on that. Okay, cool, great. But what about the opera? Opera specifically is a classical style of music that is usually driven by history, criticism of the culture. It's also used, going back to the criticism part, is used for parody. It is used for sometimes for satire, and it is a well-respected form of literature. So rap opera combines rap, which started as the voice of the youth in the Bronx, New York City, back in the late 60s. And it combines opera, the storytelling aspects, the use of history, the use of criticism, the use of social commentary, satire, and parody, and it puts it together into a package that can be used in the classroom to educate students. You can call it a hip-hop pedagogy, if you will. So on this channel, you will find lots of songs, mainly focusing on reading, language arts, and using history for commentary and for the use of teaching a variety of skills, context clues, compare and contrast, making inferences, figurative language. Students can listen to the song while following along with the lyrics, and listening to the song actually reinforces what they're reading. It really helps them with comprehension. I remember the first time I used this with it was a third, fourth grade class, and I was playing the music, the kids did the activity, and I had the song on loop for 2 or 3 times. And I was like, no one's listening to this. I just turned it off. All the kids were writing and reading, doing all their stuff with the activities. And one girl put her hand up and said, hey, sir, can you turn the music back on? Because the music's actually helping me read. It's helping me understand. And that was one thing that was so powerful for me, is that music, specifically in the form of, the spoken word, the rap, it reinforces what students are reading, and it helps them comprehend it because they're listening to the rhythm. It activates different aspects of the brain. Music is just such a powerful tool for communicating information. So this was something I wanted to keep going, and I just wanted to make it more available to more students and more educators. So here we are. I think this is 5 years later. Started this off in 2018 and finally decided to sit down and do a video about this in 2023. For those of you who are math heads, we do have some math stuff. We do multiplication, we do mean, median, mode, but we really focus on language arts, using history, parody, criticism of culture, and using that to teach specific skills like context clues, compare and contrast, main idea, all that fun stuff. Our most popular series is our series on hip-hop history. We have the first song, which is just a general overview of hip-hop history, a second one that talks about going back to the late 60s all the way up until 2018 and discussing how hip-hop has developed. We also have the eras of hip-hop, which is our third song, which talks about the 4 distinct eras of hip-hop. We also did a song on breaking, or what's more commonly known as breakdancing. As someone who b-boys, I prefer the term breaking or b-girling if you're a lady. So we did a history on that. And next up, we're doing a history on pre-hip-hop history. What actually happened before hip-hop? How did this whole thing get started off? Where did this culture come from? Where did the music come from? What inspired it? And you can look for that in the coming month. So if you'd like to check out any of those activities, specifically hip-hop history, that entire theme, check the link in the description. Check out many other activities, syllables, decoding multisyllabic words, proofreading and editing, all that fun stuff. If you enjoyed this content, please leave a comment below. Give us a like, subscribe, all the YouTube-y things. I appreciate it. And until next time, stay on beast mode.
The history of hip hop and rap. It didn't start with the beef, it started with the scratch. The history.